Well, hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. And if you watched any of my previous videos, you know that I've been full-time in my Class C RV for over 4 years, 99% of the time boondocking. Currently, we're staying on my couple of acres I have in Golden Valley, which is just about 20 miles south west of Kingman, Arizona. I did wake up early this morning. It was 37 degrees. So today I've got several things going on. I've got 2 interviews for this morning. That's why I'm all fancy, bougie-like, in my polo shirt and khaki pants. But there's a couple things that I'm excited to get. One is I hope something that arrived at the U.S. Post Office. Amazon location here that I've got a couple of packages. So we'll be opening those and checking those out. And then I've got to dump some trash. And I do that right by the Tractor Supply Company here. They've got 4 dumpsters that I just always use to dump my trash. So I've got 2 full bags in the back. I just finished up with a shower at Planet Fitness because you want to be clean for an interview, right? And again, anytime I come into town, I take advantage of Planet Fitness. All right, finished the interview. I think it went pretty well, but you know, when you've got a young man, mid-20s, doing the interview as a supervisor manager, they kind of several times think, what is this old fat dude doing here? So I gave him the spiel of my past driving experience, customer service experience, told him I'm open any day, any hours, asked a few questions about what daily life is there for a driver, and we'll see. Told him I'd love to be part of the team, and I'd love to be here for several years. Okay, I'm excited about these couple of things here. I paid for all of them myself. No freebies and no reviews. This is the unique brand Scrub It. And I love this. And I truly believe that it helps, you know, in enhancing probiotics in the black tank. And I think that's why I've never had a problem with smells, odors, or anything. The next one is nothing fancy. These are just some clear hooks that suction on. Now, the next one is a Volterra valve by Nomadic. I've seen people rave about these for years. And for, I don't know what this was, $25, $35 on Amazon is going to be such nice relief. You know, even when I'm dumping tanks at a dump station, I'll take that cap off and get about a cup full of sludge out. And I'm like, oh, great. So this should be a big help. Okay, before I leave this gigantic parking lot where my post office is, and an El Pollo Loco I never knew was there. I love El Pollo Loco. And there's an In-N-Out Burger here and a Taco Bell. Lots of stuff. Anyway, I've got to get out of these khaki pants. So I'm going to switch here in the parking lot and put on jeans. All right, picked up 2 items. This is the Evo tire pump, 150 PSI that was sent to me. So we're going to be unboxing this at the RV, open it up, checking it out, as well as the big box that came from me that I'm really excited about. And I got lucky. I got my spark plug. Pretty cool. It even came with the little gap tool. I already have 1 or 2, but it's always nice if they do that. Okay, this is for the Evo Tire Pump 150. It says Valley C up here, but I'm going to put the name and the website in the description, but I'll also put the name up here. You can see it's got your standard USB. Where is it at? Probably down here. USB charging. It's got your standard air hose that screws in right there. And then it comes with a couple of adapters for balls, toys, and things like that. Had to hold down a bar, but now it shows the car mode, PSI, 44 PSI. Screw this bad boy in here. And this is just a quick open box. I'm actually going to do a whole video on it after I've tested it out for a week or two. Anyway, pretty cool. Look how tiny this guy is. Okay, one more thing. Underneath here, it has a regular USB outlet to charge things like your phone or whatnot from this. And the company name is Flextail. I'll put the website right here on the screen, and it'll also be in the description below. But you may want to wait until I do a full review. Now, Ninja is excited to check this next one out. This is from a company called EBL. This is a portable power station. 1,000 watts with a capacity of 999 watt hours. I'll explain that in the review. That's what this bad boy is going to look like. 2 AC outlets, DC outlet. I think that's the Anderson solar plug. I've noticed EBL over the years because it looks exactly like the Balder, B-A-L-D-R, power stations I've seen. I mean, it looks in color and everything like it exactly. And the Balder 330 is what I have. And I also have a Bluetti that's like 238 watts. But this baby is 1,000 watt hours. So there you go, my friends. Quite a few things that we've got in the works. So I didn't have time to unbox the heater, but we'll do that in the next video. And stay tuned in the next couple of weeks for full reviews on those products. Go out there, be positive, be nice, and be active.